Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my people, any which part of the world on the day. Today I go and take on down a memory lane as I always do. Hey, who no remember this? Me say if you no remember this, make I tell you something. I remember growing up with my granny. She used to have it this little buckle and she call it her ailment buckle. I would used to see her take ginger, real Jamaican ginger, and she would crush up this together like beaty, and put in a buckle. And then she would have take her pimento seed and she would have throw it in a buckle too. Then she would have pour the white rum pan it and make it soak. But nobody thinks that only them the same thing going there. Some people also used to put the granja in there. What you say, I know granja and marijuana? Anyways, yes, some people used to put the granja in there too. But not just that. One of my followers tell me, say, fear granny used to put his centipede and his scorpion in there, and make it soak, And if any one of them get any bite by any insect with a centipede or scorpion or snake or anything, our granny would have run feed buckle and put this your ointment pan with the area where they get it bite. And let me tell you something, it would have get better. Get better, all if poison they draw out, gone. But for me granny, Miss Selva now, used to use this your ointment back there for when her arthritis about her. I remember my granny used to say, Andra, go in a room for me ointment bottle and come sap me foot. And make I tell you something, when I go for the ointment bottle and I take it so, and I sap it foot, I sappy. When I done, she used to say, God be praised, Andra, because the foot feel much better. So my people, drop a line below and tell me, what did your grandparents, whether granny or grandfather, used to put in a feeding little ointment bottle? As usual, Mama Selva, take care and have a beautiful morning, afternoon, or evening, or night, any which part of the world you know there. Bless up on yourself.